the record too. Let me do this here. Court is in session and cause number 329-618. The case is filed the state of Texas versus Jakesha Alexis Harvey. Ms. Harvey, is that your full name?
Yes, sir. Harvey Coleman.
Okay. How are you doing? Ms. Harvey, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
You may put your hand down. Okay, Ms. Harvey, I have before me a document that has been filed by Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. This document is titled Information. This information alleges that on or about March 12th of 2021, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of failure to identify fugitive from justice. Ms. Harvey, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes, sir.
And to this charge, Ms. Harvey, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Now, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, sir.
Now, Ms. Harvey, do we have the judge's explanation as well? Okay, Ms. Harvey, I have before me, it's gonna be, we don't need this. Okay. I have before me a document that is titled Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without an Attorney. Ms. Harvey, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir, I do.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir, it is.
And are these your initials on the line stating that I want to waive my right to an attorney and I want to represent myself?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Harvey, I also have before me a document that is titled Waiver of Counsel for Purposes of Entering a Guilty Plea. Ms. Harvey, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir, it is.
And Ms. Harvey, I also have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment. It's also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Okay, is this right? Oh, I have the wrong one up. Hold on a minute. Oh, there it is. Okay. Ms. Harvey, I have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments, which is also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir, I do.
On page 2 of the same document, Ms. Harvey, there are 2 sets of initials. First set of initials are on a line next to a box that's checked guilty. Ms. Harvey, did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir, I do.
On this line? Now, Ms. Harvey, the second set of initials is below a paragraph that is titled Discovery Certification, and the initials are on a line next to a statement that reads, I do not request discovery of evidence. I waive my right to request discovery in this case and choose to enter a plea of guilty or no contendere, or no contest. I mean, not no contendere. Ms. Harvey, are these your initials on this line?
Yes, sir.
On the next document, excuse me, on the next page of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled defendant. Is that your signature?
Yes, sir, it is.
On the next document that is titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, Ms. Harvey, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is that your signature above the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
There are 2 boxes that's checked at the top of this document. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargaining case and you have no right of appeal.
Yes,
Do you understand that?
yes, sir.
The second box states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Now, Ms. Harvey, before you sign and initial all of these documents that I've just mentioned to you, Did you read the documents?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand what you read?
Yes, sir.
And is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir, they are.
Ms. Harvey, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir, I am.
Now, state, I have before me state's exhibit number, make sure, state's exhibit number 1. State, you like to offer states 1?
States offers state one.
Ms. Harvey, the state is offering state's exhibit number 1 to be used as evidence against you in your case. Now, state's exhibit number 1 is the third document that you had acknowledged. This is the same document that have your initials on the line next to a box that check guilty, and it's on the line stating that you're waiving your right to discovery. And on page 3 of this document, the same document that you acknowledged with your signature above the line that's titled defendant. Ms. Harvey, is it all right for the state to use this document as evidence in your case?
Yes, sir.
Okay, no objections. State's exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Ms. Harvey, is there any evidence that you are currently mentally incompetent to stand trial? Okay, Ms. Harvey, I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is that agreement?
It's a 3-month deferred $50 fine, and we're waiving the community service requirement.
Is it a $50 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
No community service?
No, Your Honor, we're waiving that.
Okay,
Judge, the state is not opposed to early termination of this probation. I know it's just a 3-month.
well, yeah, but I mean, that's kind of premature right now.
I know, Judge. I'm just-
Yeah.
just putting that out there.
Okay, Miss Harvey. The state is offering that you serve 3 months on deferred adjudicated probation. During the 3-month deferred adjudicated probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $50 plus court costs. And the court cost in this case is $307. The total fine and court cost is $357. You'll also be required to pay a probation fee of $60 each month, a urinalysis fee of $15 each month. Your total that you will be required to pay in monthly installments each month is $255. Ms. Harvey, would you be able to pay the $255 each month?
At the moment, Judge, I'm not working. I am at home with my son until he goes back to school.
Do you have, I'm gonna need a affidavit of indigence. Do we have the affidavit? Could I get it right here? Yes.
Oh, it's up here, sorry.
Okay, Ms. Harvey, I'm gonna have to ask you some questions. Okay, now, Ms. Harvey. Okay, now, Ms. Harvey, you said you're not working, is that correct?
Yes, sir, not at the moment.
Okay, so do you have any source of income?
No, sir.
Okay, now, Ms. Harvey, do you receive any type of governmental benefits?
I do.
Okay, and what do you get?
SNAP food benefits.
SNAP?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you receiving any type of child support?
No, sir.
No. Now, are you renting or do you own a home? Are you living with someone?
Yes, sir, I'm living with a spouse.
Okay, so you living with someone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, you say your spouse work?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the spouse's take-home pay per month?
I mean, I'm not sure, it varies, she's a professional poker dealer.
Okay, but I mean, what is the average?
I can't answer. I don't know. I wouldn't know what to tell you what she makes monthly.
Okay, but I need to know, I would have some idea. Let me do this here. Once you get this here to her and let her fill it out. Yeah, you can just have a seat at the table, that's it, yeah. Court will be in recess.